Elon Reeve Musk was born in Pretoria, South Africa, on June 28, 1971. Even as a young boy, Musk displayed an insatiable curiosity and a passion for technology. He devoured books, immersing himself in science fiction and technical manuals. He taught himself computer programming, a testament to his remarkable self-learning abilities. At the age of 12, he sold his first software program, a simple game he called Blaster. This early success foreshadowed a future marked by groundbreaking innovation and entrepreneurial spirit. Musk's childhood wasn't all smooth sailing. He faced challenges, including a difficult family life. He found solace in books and computers, using knowledge as his escape. These experiences likely contributed to his resilience and unwavering determination. They shaped him into a problem solver, someone who could envision solutions where others saw obstacles. This early fascination with technology, coupled with his drive to make a mark on the world, would go on to define his life's trajectory. From the bustling streets of Pretoria to the world stage of Silicon Valley, Musk's journey is a testament to the power of ambition, hard work, and an unwavering belief in the power of innovation. Drawn to the opportunities offered by North America, Musk moved to Canada at the age of 17. He enrolled at Queen's University in Kingston, Ontario, where he pursued his higher education. He later transferred to the University of Pennsylvania, graduating with a Bachelor of Science in Physics and a Bachelor of Arts in Economics. His academic pursuits reflected his diverse interests, spanning from the fundamental laws of the universe to the complexities of financial markets. Musk's time in North America wasn't just about academics. He saw it as a launchpad for his entrepreneurial ambitions. He recognized the dynamism and openness of the North American market, particularly in the burgeoning tech sector. He thrived in this environment, soaking up knowledge and making connections that would prove invaluable in the years to come. In 1995, driven by his entrepreneurial spirit, Musk co-founded Zip2, a web software company that would mark his first major foray into the world of business. This marked the beginning of his journey as a serial entrepreneur, one who wouldn't shy away from challenges and would go on to disrupt multiple industries. His move to North America then was a pivotal step, setting the stage for his future successes.